We've learned what bash is and how to run basic commands. We'll dive deeper into writing bash scripts. So a bash script is just a text file containing bash commands. So think of it like a playlist of commands instead of a playlist for music. You can run command by command, and it lets you automate tasks. For example, check the system health, check network activity, or clean up files. So let's create one. First we go to the home folder. You'll see we are in the hello folder. So we can move quickly with cd tilde. That will move immediately to the home folder. You can see pwd, we're automatically in home Ubuntu. Now we can create a new script. You can say touch first script.sh. That creates a new script. Now we can open it with any text editor, whatever you prefer. Here I'll use Nano. So it simply opens the text editor. And we can now write our scripts. For example, bin bash and echo hello world. So that will output hello world. This is the command. And the first line simply indicates that we wanted to use bash. So to save, hold the Ctrl key and press O. And if you see the file name, press enter. And then hold the Ctrl key and press X. Now, the script is not runnable by default. We need to make it runnable or executable. So we do that with +X. So with this command chmod, we change permission of the file. +X means the X for executable. And then we say first script.sh. And now we can run it. So we just gave it permission to run with this command. And to run it, we type the / with a name. And boom, your script just run. So it simply outputs the hello world text. Now, we can add more commands. So if we open it again, nano first script.sh, we can, for example, say, we can output the date. So we can say the date is, and then if we type it like this, it will run the date command, but it writes the outputs directly in the text format. So if I close it and run it, you'll see instead of saying hello date is $date, it outputs the contents of the file, of the date command. So if you type date, you'll see the output is the same. So meaning this gets replaced by whatever date outputs. So nice little trick. Now, what if we can also show, for example, the current directory? Current folder is pwd. And maybe you want to see the files in the folder also. Let's files and then ls. So save it and now we'll run it. And you see, it shows you all the information. So it says hello world, the current date, the current folder, and also a list of all the files in that folder. So, small little script. In this case, we didn't use any variables yet. We simply output those contents directly. We can store any data in so-called variables. So it's simply a way to store data. And say, for example, name, and then add your name. Then, instead of saying hello world, we can say echo and then replace that with the contents of that variable. So variable is simply a place in the computer's memory where you store some data. And now name will be replaced by the content of name, which is Frank in this case. So if I save it and then run it, you see now it says hello Frank instead of hello world. So simple way to change it. So bash scripts matter because you can automate repetitive tasks. You can improve the security by scanning systems, finding open network ports, detecting threats, and it also can simplify your work. So to recap, you wrote your first bash script, we made it executable, you made it runnable, and you learned a little bit about the variables.